World Bamboo Day. Now let's have a look. So World Bamboo Day. World Bamboo Day is celebrated on 18th September. Then there are 1500 species of bamboo. It belongs to the grass family. It is the fastest growing plant on earth. India has highest area under bamboo. It releases more than 35% of oxygen than trees and can absorb 12 tons of carbon dioxide from per hectare land. The next point is it has unique net-like root system, and this retains water in the watershed areas. It decreases the runoff, it decreases the mudslides and sustains the river beds. Then it also restores the health of the soil by sequestering excess nitrogen. Then coming to the uses of bamboo, now this can be used as a substitute for wood, and so tree cutting can be brought down, which will again help our environment. So bamboo is used in building houses, in the flooring, in the construction work, handicrafts, making paper. Also, we can make fabric out of bamboo where the fibers are organic. They have antibacterial property, so they don't irritate the skin and also minimize the risk of allergies. It is also used as food, especially the shoots or the sprouts, which are edible. And in fact, bamboo shoots are low in fat and calorie, also rich in fiber and potassium. So it's a great supplement for the staple diet. Also, it is panda's favorite meal. Then the next point is the tensile strength of bamboo is greater than steel. And lastly, it also has many health benefits, like for centuries it has been used in Ayurvedic medicines and the Chinese herbal medicines. So in this way, World Bamboo Day is celebrated to raise awareness of the benefits of bamboo and to promote its use in everyday products. Thank you. So this was about the World Bamboo Day. Do let me know in the comment box about the video. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up, do share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing out. Happy World Bamboo Day and happy growing up with your loved ones.